I am salt. I tighten your blood vessels like a snake, forcing your blood pressure to skyrocket instantly.
I overload your kidneys until they cannot filter anymore, leaving dangerous toxins trapped inside you.
I hold onto every drop of water in your cells, making your face and body look puffy and swollen. Make your heart pump harder and harder against the pressure until it gets weak and tired.
I steal calcium directly from your bones, making them brittle and easy to break over time.
Strip away your stomach's protective lining, increasing the risk of painful ulcers and severe problems.